Great Reed Warbler is renowned not just for its striking presence among the reeds, but also for its distinctive and versatile song. Male Great Reed Warblers have developed a sophisticated communication system through two primary types of songs, short and long. Short songs lasting about 1 second and comprising few syllables play a critical role in territorial defense. These brief, repetitive calls are primarily used during encounters with rival males. In contrast, long songs are more elaborate, lasting around 4 seconds and filled with a greater number of syllables. These longer, louder, and more complex songs are the primary tool for attracting females. Interestingly, unpaired males are the ones who primarily engage in these extended serenades, ceasing their performance once a female arrives. This behavior highlights the role of long songs in courtship and mate attraction. The sound of the Great Reed Warbler is characterized by a grumpy, very rhythmic quality. It sings a repetitive series of phrases that can sound somewhat mechanical, often with a gruff and slightly scratchy tone.